This is the difference between Papaverse and composite. The idea that one looks from the injury point of view, that is composite, and other one looks from the intense pain and suffering and to become painless. Whereas composite senses injury and wants to injure. Now that can be at a physical or at a mental level. I felt hurt emotionally because the way that person scolded me. So I will scold that person, so that person also will understand कितना हद तक उसको भी चोट लगा. उसने मुझे चोट दिया, मैं उसको चोट दिया. I am sensitive to that chोट, that is hurt, and I give that hurt back. Unlike the animal who will have a strategy of attacking and defending, right? Because there is a survival issue. Here there is a sensitive issue. I am sensitive to hurt, so I hurt you back. That's the end of the story. But for the animal, if you hurt me, I will take all the advantage or planning in order to see to it that I hurt you, to put you down, to show you that you are inferior, to give the idea that it is me versus you. Who is strong, who is dominant, who can hurt whom? Who can insult whom? You think you are powerful? Even I have the same thing. When time comes, I will show you. Or I will strike back at you. Or I will see to it that I finish you off. But this is not there in composite. I sense hurt, I give you that hurt back. Or like Arnika, because the idea of reaction comes from the miasmatic background. For Arnika, the injury is so severe that I just don't want anybody to touch me. Sensitive to the slightest touch keeps them away from any sort of touch, because the touch is also painful. Whereas for Calendula, the idea is that I am so weak, prostrated, because a lot of fluids have gone out from my body. So fluid loss causes a lot of comatose-like situation, which is loss of fluid means loss of electrolytes, and therefore there is no energy. It is weak, prostrated, lethargic, drowsy, and goes to sleep. But Chamomilla immediately reacts. Either will become cross, irritable, abusive, screaming, shouting, howling. This is the way how Chamomilla will react to that insult of emotions. Or what I wanted, you did not give me. So I will react in this manner to show you how desperate I am. This is totally different from that of Papaverse, where there is whole idea come from this complete understanding that there is mutilation, that there is something horrifying, that there is something tremendously painful, hell-like situation, where there are dead bodies, where there are dead parts, where there are parts of the body fallen, like a war, like a mass massacre. Or you can say 26/11, that incident that was there at the station, bodies falling here and there, blood just flowing. That is the situation, which is so much terrifying. It is such a horrible thing. And what you want to do is just close your eyes. I don't want to see. I just want to cut off myself, and I don't want to get involved into anything. So cutting yourself out, so that nothing penetrates which can hurt you. Nothing penetrates so that it can become painful for you. So in order to cut off means simply to become painless, simply to become numb. You are alive, but you are dead to the world. And the best thing is like this: you are alive, but you are dead to the world. This is the idea that comes from the Papaverse understanding.